Hi, today I am going to show you simple working model in mathematics. We have famous Pythagoras theorem. Volume of cone is 1 by third of volume of cube. So for that is we have a cone here and we have a cube here. So in that Pythagoras we have a condition, right? We have having same height and same radius. So I'll repeat the Pythagoras theorem once more. Volume of cone is 1 by third of volume of cube having same height and radius. To check that, we have rise here. I'll fill rise 1 by 1. It's filled 1, 2, 3. That is volume of cube is 1 by third of volume of cone is 1 by third of I'm confusing. Volume of cone is 1 by third of volume of cube. Hence, this is the simple Pythagoras theorem. We have working model of simple this Pythagoras theorem. Thank you.